PAC Machinery is exhibiting at the 2024 WestPack show, February 6th through the 8th at the Anaheim Convention Center in California. See the PAC Machinery exhibit at 5321 at the largest packaging show on the West Coast. The Rollback R785 seen here is a unique electric tabletop polybagger with an advanced control system that can operate up to 40 bags per minute depending on setup and product. The D545 is a continuous tabletop band sealer for pouches sealed in a vertical position. It seals polyethylene, polypropylene, and other foil laminated pouches and bags. And see the PVT Plus Med compact tabletop vacuum sealer that has gas flush capability and independent control of all process parameters. Visit PAC Machinery at WestPack in booth 5321.